Hello everyone, I'm Kisha from the Philippines, and in this video we're going to learn about the basic numbers in Bahasa Malaysia, or the basic number in Malay. We all know that numbers is very essential, whether in shopping, telling time, managing our finance, and even in ordering food. We use number all the time. So if your student wants to learn the basic numbers in Malay, or you want visit Malaysia in the future, this video is for you. So let's learn easy and fun. The number 1 in Malay is satu. Number 2, dua. Number 3, tiga. Number 4, empat. Number 5, lima. Number 6, enam. Number 7, tujuh. Number 8, lapan. Number 9, sembilan. And number 10 is 10. Now let's practice counting 1 to 10 in Malay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! When counting 11 to 19, we just add belas. Number plus belas. For example, dua belas. Dua belas is 12 in English. Another example, lima belas. Lima belas is 15 in English. But the 11 is si belas. The si and si belas is short term for satu, which is 1 in English. Now let's learn another numbers like tens. When counting tens, we just add puluh after the number. For example, 20. 20 in Malay is 20. Another example, 50. 50 in Malay is 50. But when other numbers like 21, 53, 42, we just add puluh between the numbers. For example, 21, 21. Another example, 52, 52. And the hundreds in Malay is ratus. For example, 200. 200 in Malay is 200. Another example, 300. 300 in Malay is 300. But the 100 in Malay is 100. The si in 100 is short term for satu. The thousands in Malay is 1000. For example, 2000. 2000 in Malay is 2000. We add ribo after the number when counting thousands in Malay. Another example, 5,000. 5,000 in Malay is 5,000. But the 10,000 is 10,000. And the millions in Malay is juta. For example, 2 million, 2 juta. So, that's all the basic number in Malay. I hope you have learned something new today. Bye!